PrizePicks account disabled. How to fix PrizePicks or disabled PrizePicks account. If your PrizePicks account has been disabled, it could be due to some form of violation within your PrizePicks account. Maybe you did not comply with the terms and policies. Now sometimes it could be a temporary disable, and in that case your account will be reactivated after a couple of days. But if it's been quite a while and you're not being able to gain access to your account, the best thing we can do is contact the customer support. So simply open your browser and just type in help.prizepicks.com, right? So just go ahead and type in help.prizepicks.com. So once you go to help.prizepicks.com, basically let me go ahead and do that. You should be able to see their help center, right? Now when you're on their help center, you will see this interface where you'll find this option that says live support. So all you have to do is now tap the live support button. It will ask you there is a 24/7 live support. Tap on chat now and a live customer agent is going to get in touch with you. So from here what you can do is you can simply ask it a question, ask them why your account has been disabled, and then you will be able to reactivate your disabled account on PrizePicks. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically fix if your account has been disabled. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.